If you're confident in your frosting skills and are ready to take your cake decorating to the next level, this video is for you. I'll be sharing 5 mistakes to avoid when piping buttercream and whipped cream for your cakes and cupcakes. Now let's get started. First mistake, your icing consistency isn't right. Your icing should never be thin and watery, nor should it be extremely thick. Always start with icing that is smooth, has medium thickness, and can hold its shape like this. Most frostings available at your grocery store are great for covering a cake, but are too soft for piping decorations. Sorry, but unfortunately it's the truth. In order to best control the thickness of your icing and get the perfect medium consistency, try making your own buttercream or whipped cream frosting from scratch. To help you get started with this, I've linked my recipe playlist in the video description. Mistake number 2, your piping bag is too full. Some brands make disposable decorating bags that are marked with a max fill line. You may have noticed them. It's very important not to fill your bag past this line if you're a beginner. When there's too much icing in the bag, it makes it more difficult to grasp and control it, especially if you have smaller hands. If you're struggling with your piping techniques, consider squeezing the excess icing from the bag for a better grip and try again. Mistake number 3, using the wrong hand position. Your hand position is very important when piping icing and can greatly impact the appearance of your piped decorations. When piping buttercream or whipped cream frosting, you'll need to hold your bag at a 90-degree position to the surface of your cake or a 45-degree position to the surface of your cake. A 90-degree hand position looks like this and is pretty straightforward. When a 45-degree hand position is required for a specific technique, the angle at which you hold the bag and whether you're right-handed or left-handed makes a huge difference. Though they are both 45-degree position techniques, shells and rope borders are achieved by holding the decorating bag at different angles. A link to a video where I cover this in greater detail can be found in the description below. Mistake number 4, squeezing too hard. Are you paying attention to how much pressure you're applying to the decorating bag? If your decorations look bulbous and wavy like this, you're most likely squeezing too hard. Pressure is a very personal aspect of piping and comes with practice and muscle memory. Try less pressure and remember, the smaller the piping tip, the less you need to squeeze to create your piping decoration. Mistake number 5, moving too fast. Everyone gets so excited when they're learning and making progress on their cake decorating journey. I've spent the last decade teaching buttercream piping techniques to beginners, and I've watched so many of them rush through the techniques, making minor mistakes along the way. It's important to be patient, slow down, and stay mindful of your hand position and pressure when piping buttercream or whipped cream. The goal is to be deliberate with each movement. Adding a few piping decorations can really make your cakes and cupcakes stand out. And by avoiding these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to cake decorating greatness. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more cake tips, tricks, and tutorials. Many thanks to the Sprinkles who support my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.